Hi, I'm David Golan, instrument specialist here at the NewTek Group, and in this video I'm going to be going over the Bixolon printer, which is exclusively for use with the Novacina LabMaster Neo or LabMaster water activity instruments. We recommend that you purchase this unit directly from the NewTek Group because it is configured for use with our water activity meters. And it's set up so that you can connect it directly to your water activity instrument, and all of your data can be exported directly to paper without going through an additional computer or any necessary software. The unit will come in its own box with the device itself, a couple of wires, one RS-232 cable, which will connect directly to your water activity instrument, and a standard US power cable. And finally, an adapter for the RS-232 cable. The device does come with an ink cartridge and a roll of paper already installed. Any additional accessories can be purchased directly from NewTek. You can reach out to our service and engineering department at the contact information at the end of this video. And that's everything that you'll need to get started. Please check out our additional videos on setting it up and installation and operation, and good luck.